We'll get back to that later on. Well, let me just tell you about the promotion that Discord just released 2 days ago that can get you 1 month of Discord Nitro. Opera GX is basically just a browser, and yeah, pretty much. Let me just say it's just a browser. Basically, you can get 1 month of Discord Nitro on them, and the thing is that users who had an active Nitro membership or a Nitro trial in the last 12 months are ineligible to claim this Nitro promotion. Now, to claim this promotion, you have to install the Opera GX browser, and I've already listed the link in the description to install the browser. After you have gotten the browser and everything, all you have to do is just go to the Opera GX Discord Nitro link. Now, I have also provided that in the description, and then it will just tell you how to claim or claim now. So this is what you will get, just a Discord Nitro, and you can just press on claim now, and then you have to wait until it just gets you the link. Let's just wait for it. Yeah, my internet is pretty bad for some reason. Well, I don't know if my internet is just that bad, but like, if I just copy the link from here, which is the Discord promotion, and then just paste it in my other browser, I get this, so I can claim my gift. However, if I try to claim it, it will say that I already have a Nitro. Actually, let's just give it to one of my subscribers there, so you can just have that, so yeah.
Dear Discord, your prices have been just increasing more and more, and I just cannot afford to boost my server anymore on Discord, and I just need help, because I'm gonna go broke, spending literally 48 USD for 14 boosts.
Hey Johnny, I don't think you heard about cheap boosts. I think you're suffering here, is that right?
Norax, I am suffering because I just can't afford Discord normal prices and need something that is way cheaper and affordable.
And that's not a problem, Johnny, because cheap boosts will actually help you, and this is where I introduce cheap boost here, because they will deliver it to you, Mr. Johnny. I know that you live in the cold side in Antarctica, however, they will deliver it to you, and they're only asking for literally $5. That's like 8 times cheaper than Discord's normal price, literally. If I head over to, for example, let's say 14 server boost for 3 months. Now you can actually get a discount if you join their Telegram group, or a 5% discount. Go ahead and join their Telegram group, press on continue, and you can pay, for example, via cryptocurrency here, and they even accept other payment methods as well, but I like to pay with crypto. So all I have to do is basically just add it to my cart, and then I have to go to my cart and then check out, select gateway. Let's just select any coin, for example Solana, and then email me. I have read and agreed to the cheap boost terms of service, and once I have done that, they will ask me to send them the cryptocurrency. I have completed my payment. As soon as you complete the payment, they will tell you the key and the bot invite. So all you have to do is basically just invite the bot that they sent you. So all you have to do is copy this. So once they have sent you the authentication to invite the bot, all you have to do is just select your server, so Norax, and then create the invite, and just verify that you are a human. So there you go, my boost have been submitted in literally 2 seconds. And they mean it, literally, in 2 seconds. So go ahead and get something from them, and if you do, let me know in the comments. See you in the next one. Goodbye.